Corey Heim, just a couple more turns.
Looking for that checkered flag.
Looking for the first win of the season. They have been so strong. Came here after so much time, research, effort put into this race. He's been flawless.
That's exactly right. Perfect.
29 laps and counting. Here comes Corey Heim. He sees the checkered flag. It's Heim time at Circuit of the Americas as Corey Heim gets it done. Taylor Gray.
Texas.
Taylor Gray hangs on. Whew, sigh of relief. Well, he's got enough for a little burnout.
Taylor doesn't.
Taylor's out. Unbelievable.
Oh.
Well done.